Hey guys, this is Saki from BdThemes. Let me introduce you to our new widget Timeline. Timeline displays posts in a dynamic time flow chart. It's a unique tool and a totally different concept that will boost your blogging experience to the next level. With the Ultimate Post Hit plugin, you can grab this tool for free. Let's see how it works. As you can see, this is the first look of our timeline widget. There's a date, a flow chart, and covering the posts according to the date chart. There's a starter and ender included. The first section layout holds the basic settings of the timeline widget. It has a bunch of switches that controls separate items on the display. By turning them on or off, we'll show or hide specific items. If you don't want the categories to be shown on the display, you can simply turn it off by the switcher. The field called separator lets you insert any kind of separator that is in the meta tag right below the description box. You can also turn on the pagination that will be displayed at the end of the timeline widget. From the query section, you can limit the number of items on the display. Simply drag the scroll bar Also, you can select any specific categories or tags or formats to be shown on the display. Let's move on to the Style tab. The first section called Items lets you increase the padding of the whole thing. Just simply scroll the scroll bar up and down and you can increase it. Let's change the line color for a bit lighter. You can also increase or decrease the border width of the line. Scrolling the border radius bar to the maximum will make the line into circle shapes. That's not all. You can always change the color of the start or end or the dates from right below. Also, there's a separate border radius for them. Let's change the value and make them circles. Next section, Image, lets you customize the images of the posts. There is a border by default which can you customize with width or border types. Also notice that there's two different border radius options, the even and the odd. The odd number images will be displayed on your left and the even number of images will be displayed on your right. Let's change their border radius along with their size. Do the same for the even number of images. Category is displayed above the titles. You can change its color, make the border radius to the maximum and make it circle. Increase the padding to make it look more beautiful. That's it, your timeline widget is ready for display. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel and stay updated. Thanks for watching.